Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Printful integration for Shopify POD store step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify account. In the Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Apps section. Click on the Visit Shopify App Store button. In the search bar, type Printful and hit Enter. Locate the Printful app in the search results. Click on the Printful app to view its details. Press the Add App button to initiate the installation process. Shopify will prompt you to confirm the installation. Review the permissions requested by Printful and click Install App. Once installed, you will be redirected to the Printful setup page. Create a Printful account or log in if you already have one. Follow the prompts to link your Printful account with your Shopify store. Next, choose your preferred store settings, such as currency and shipping options. After that, access the Printful dashboard. Select Stores from the top menu to confirm your Shopify store is linked. To start adding products, click on Add Product. Browse through the categories to find items you'd like to sell. Select a product to customize it. Adjust the design, colors, and sizes according to your preferences. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on Continue. Set your pricing and product details for the Shopify listing. Click Submit to Store to add the product to your Shopify inventory. Repeat the process for additional products as needed. To ensure everything is configured correctly, visit your Shopify store's front end. Check that the Printful products display as intended. Make any necessary adjustments in Shopify or Printful to optimize your offerings. Now, you're ready to start selling with Printful on your Shopify POD store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.